In this question, it is given that let F be a field. Okay, it is not said that F is finite or infinite. F can be any field. And which of the following statements are true? The first option says that all extension of degree 2 of F are isomorphic as fields. Listen, if you take any extension of degree 2 of F, they will be always isomorphic. But this statement is not true. Now I am going to show this. Take is equals to F is equals to Q, because it is given that let F be a field. That means you can choose F be any field. So now here I am choosing F as Q, set of rational numbers. Now if you take Q root 2, which is a extension of degree 2, and another Q root 3, this is also a extension of degree 2. Now I am going to show that these two are not isomorphic. Okay, suppose there is a isomorphism from phi Q root 2 to Q root 3. Okay, so therefore we can say that phi square root 2 is equals to phi 2, okay, equals to 2, because if there is a isomorphism from Q2 to Q2, then obviously you can say that phi Q is equals to Q. Okay, and this belongs to Q root 3, which shows that phi root 2 is equals to plus minus root 2 belongs to Q root 3. But this is not true. Okay, in Q root 3, no root is there, which is a contradiction. So therefore we can say that there is no isomorphism. There is no isomorphism phi from Q root 2 to Q root 3. Hence we can say that Q root 2 and Q root 3 are not isomorphic. Okay, so the first option is wrong. Now look at the fourth option. All the finite normal extension of F are isomorphic as fields if characteristic F is equals to 0. Now we know characteristic of Q is equals to 0, and Q root 2 is splitting field. Okay, splitting field for root 2, and hence Q root 2 is a normal extension of Q. Similarly, Q root 3 is also normal extension. That's mean Q root 2 and Q root 3 both are normal extension of Q, but they are not isomorphic. But in the fourth option, it is said that all finite normal extension of F are isomorphic as fields if characteristic F is equals to 0. But here we can see that characteristic of Q is equals to 0, but Q root 2 and Q root 3, those who are they are normal extension, but they are not isomorphic. That's mean option 4 is not correct. In the third option, it is said that all the finite extension of F of same degree are isomorphic as fields if F is finite. Now this statement is true. How can I show that this statement is true? Suppose take a field F of finite degree. Okay, since F is finite degree, is the order of F obviously will be look like this, the power of a prime number. Now if you take two extension F dash and F double dash of degree m, okay, now I am going to show that these two fields are isomorphic. Okay, since F dash is the extension of F of degree F, that's when you can say that the order of F dash is p to the power mn, and the order of F double dash is p to the power mn. And I am going to show that these two fields are isomorphic. Now if you remove the zero element from this field, the order of this set will be p to the power mn minus 1. And we know that in a field, if you remove the zero set, the remaining elements form a group. That means this is a group of order p to the power mn minus 1. That means for all a belongs to f dash 0. Okay, for all a belongs to this set, always this and the order of a is always divide e to the power mn minus 1. Okay, because the order of this set is p to the power mn minus 1 and a belongs to this set and this is a group, so therefore order of a always divide p to the power mn minus 1. That's when you can say that a to the power p to the power mn minus 1 is equals to 1, which shows that a to the power p to the power mn, okay, is equals to a. Okay, that's when you can say that every elements of f dash, every element of f dash, for all a belongs to a, satisfy the equation x to the power p to the power mn minus x equals to 0. That's mean for all a belongs to f dash, satisfy this equation. And f dash contain how many elements? P to the power n elements. And how many zeros of this set is p to the power mn set. And every element of this set is zeros of this equation. That's when you can say that f dash is a splitting field. F dash is a splitting field of x to the power p to the power mn minus x equals to 0. Okay, similarly, by similar process we can say that f double dash is also a splitting field of this equation. Okay, since both are the splitting field of this equation and we know the splitting field is unique, so therefore f dash isomorphic to f double dash. Now I am going to check the option 2. Now option 2 is saying that all the finite extension of f of same degree are isomorphic as fields if characteristic f positive. Now characteristic f positive means, suppose characteristic f is positive is p, but p is a prime. If characteristic f is positive, so generally we think about the field is fp, where fp contains 0, 1, 2, p minus 1, which is a finite field. Okay, and we know, so any extension of finite fields, okay, of same degree is always isomorphic. Already we have proved in option 3 that any finite extension of same degree on a finite field is always isomorphic. That means the option is true, option 2 is true if AP is finite. But what about if AP is not finite? There is any field which characteristic is positive but it is infinite set. So answer is yes, there is field. There is so many fields. So now I am going to give an example of a fields which characteristic f is positive. Now think about the polynomial set. This is a ring of the polynomials. Sorry, third bracket. The ring of the polynomials which coefficients are 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, and order p minus 1 bar. Now clearly you can say that since the coefficients of the polynomials are 0 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, that's when you can say that fpx is a ring of polynomials fx, okay, where coefficient of fx belongs to fp. So this sets is a form a ring. Okay, and characteristic of fpx is p. Now, if we define like this, f by g, where fg belongs to fpx and g not equals to 0. Now easily we can show that this set forms a field. This set form a field. Okay, this set form a field. And now I am going to show that, sorry, now you can say that fpx, characteristic of fpx is p, which is infinite set, and also fpx is infinite field. That's mean now you have a field which characteristic is positive and which is infinite. Okay, now using this I am going to give an example of two extension of this set fpx. Okay, two extension of this set which have same degree, which has same degree but they are not isomorphic. Okay, so let's try. Field fpx, suppose k is equals to fpx, where characteristic k is p positive and k is infinite. Okay, suppose ka and kb, two finite extension of degree 2, of degree 2, both have degree 2. Okay, and k is the extension of k of the polynomial x square minus capital X, and kb is the extension of the polynomial x square minus plus x plus 1 is plus 1. Okay, clear? Now clearly both k and kb are fields. Okay, but none of them, easily we can show that the none of them is the, sorry, k and kb, easily you can show that k and kb is not isomorphic to each other. And you can check this easily, you can just see this k is a polynomial of x square minus x and kb is a polynomial x square plus x plus 1. Both two are different. That's why you can say that k and kb is not isomorphic to each other. So that's mean we can say that, so there is two finite extension of a field of characteristic A positive such that they are not isomorphic to each other. So therefore option 2 is wrong. That's mean option 1 is wrong, option 2 is wrong, option 4 is wrong. So only option 3 is